Okay, so now that you've had a chance to kind of explore the sounds that are in Logic and the chord trigger, what we're going to do next is kind of the same thing we did with melody, except instead of improvising melodies with the drum track, you're going to be creating harmonies with some rhythm. So the first thing to do is to go over to the loop browser, and just like we did again, with the melodies, you can click on drums, you can check out some genres that you might like. All right, there we go. So, Logic's loop library is quite a bit bigger than the one that's in GarageBand, so there's lots of loops to explore. But if you find one, you have to click and drag into the workspace in Logic, just like GarageBand, to get that to work. So once you get that in, you can loop the drum beat. And then while you're looping the drum beat, you're just kind of improvising some rhythms and some chords to go along with the drums. So most songs are going to use just like a sequence of 4 chords. So like 2, 3, 4. Could be any 4. But if you kind of pick 4 pads you want to use and then improvise some rhythms that go with the drums, and then when you get something that you like, it's time to record. So that's just a 2-bar pattern. So I could keep that and loop that. And then similar to GarageBand, but a little bit different, in Logic, you're actually going to have to come down into the piano roll and click and drag across all of these and then quantize from there. And that should fix it up. So experiment with that for a few minutes, and then when you get something you like, hit the record button, and I can't wait to hear what you make.